Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. Let's do some interesting craft works in our video. So here a blue color paint is being used and then a green color paint is being used and then a cardboard sheet that is being cut into multiple pieces and pasted over the paper. So a white clay is being used and rolled them and made it like a U shape and then roll them into tiny shapes and paste over the sheet. The craft sheet. Here's a worm that is snail is been present in the scenery. A blue color and the eyes, nose and the shells is being created using a clay. So put some yellow colored dots onto the clay and put some white paints onto the clay on the sheet. So let's move on. A cotton is being taken, put a glue and stick by each other and make it like a ball. Cut them and stick onto it, and here an eye's nose is being stuck. A black color cardboard sheet is being taken, stick onto it, and here's a sheep that is being made, and the grasses is being cut and stick onto the paper, and here are the flowers that is being. So next is a face is being drawn using a white color. The ears and the nose and the eyes is being drawn. So shade them with a black color. So here I'm drawing like a zebra face. So a smiley lips, shade them with brown color and the yellow color. And then draw the body, shade them with black sketch. Here's a zebra that is being drawn. So taking and sticking onto the blue color, and here are the leaves that is being drawn. Here's a zebra frame that is being made. A brown color is being taken and the rotated. Here's a sponge that is being taken and then use a rubber band and make tighter to the brown paper that is being rolled. So here's a mop that is being made. So put some dust onto that by your craft papers that is being cut, and then an yellow color and the balloons is being pasted. Here's a bobbin plastic paper that is being stick onto the yellow color. Draw the paint onto it with a light green color, and then a green paint is being drawn, and here's a corn that is being made. A white glitters that is being drawn over the corn. Next, a black color craft paper is being taken. Use a glitter, draw them and cut them. Here's a bird that is a crow that is being made over it. Take a circle, cut them and stick onto it and the eyes. So a circle is being done. Draw the ears and the petals. Cut them. So here's a tortoise that is being made, the legs, and then it's been shaded and the eyes is being done. So stick on the shells using a papers, and there is a tortoise that is being stuck onto the black color paper, and here are the flower petals that is being made using a green color with the grasses, and here's a tortoise frame. So let's take a white color craft paper, stick onto it, fold them, the white color craft paper, and then take a face color craft paper, stick on it one by one. So a paint is being used, and then a sun is being shaded using orange and then with the red color. Here are the flowers that is being made. A green color leaf is being shaded, and then here's a flower bouquet is being made. Thank you.